Welcome back, friends and family. Just a quick video. We are going to release the pigeons of my son. I've built this cage for them. Evan wants to train them to just fly around, but he wants to do it slowly. But of course, this was a temporary cage after he bought them. And in another video you can see the cage that they were in. It's basically similar. This one a little bit higher. So this was the design we came up with. Just simple wood. Let's try to get them. Come, sweetie. Wait, let me take out the bamboo. Create a little bit more room. Don't get stressed. So these are, what breed is this, Ev?
It's a fancy pigeon.
They're from the United States, right?
Probably.
Come, sweetie. Okay. That's one. Alright.
Oh yeah, look at the room.
Just do that. You might have to open or keep the door a little bit open. Yeah, I know you want to go to your buddy. Or buddy, to your lover. It looks like they are a good pair. Yeah. Okay. You keep the door open, please.
Yes,
Yes?
it's open. It's
No,
open.
this one.
Oh, you hear that? That's cool. Okay.
This is a male,
Oh yeah.
and that's the female. I think it's a decent sized cage for two pigeons, and then in the future, or the near future, Evan is slowly going to train them that they can fly around. I didn't do too much branches in it because I think they're okay on also walking around on the floor. Yeah. What is that? That is nice. That is beautiful, huh?
Can finally fly.
Finally. It's probably the first time in your life, sweetie.
Poor thing.
Yeah, they have to get adjusted now. They all of a sudden think probably, what is this? So much room.